Dark mode is a feature available in most software. It helps save power, makes the interface easier to see in bright light, and protects the display. To switch to dark mode, select Settings from the menu bar. And in the pop-up window, choose the Appearance tab to select dark mode. You'll notice a change in the color scheme of the interface. If we choose Use System Setting, the appearance will change according to the operating system. Since my operating system is in light mode, the interface switches to a bright appearance. When we select dark mode, you'll see that the canvas and menu remain unchanged, while other areas of the interface adopt the dark mode look. After closing the file and reopening Axure RP11, you can see that the software remembers the original dark mode setting